Hello, in this video we're going to be looking at SEKO's product offering for the domestic pool and spa market. These units are designed to be very user-friendly and low maintenance. The only periodic replacement you will have is the peristaltic tubes, which can simply be replaced by removing the suction and discharge tubes, unclipping the peristaltic tube, replacing using the clips, feeding around the rollers, and then reconnecting the dosing tubes. The probes will also need periodic replacement, but if looked after they should last well in excess of a year, which also applies to the buffer solutions. I should stress before carrying out any maintenance on the system that you switch off the power supply to the unit and wear appropriate PPE. So let's have a look at the systems themselves. We have several versions. We have the single parameter for monitoring of pH or redox, the double parameter for pH and redox, and we also have a version with an auxiliary panel with an amperimetric cell for monitoring free chlorine. All of these systems can come panel mounted and have Wi-Fi capability. Before carrying out, it is important to stress, always wear appropriate PPE and switch the power off to the unit. We're now going to look at the kit that's included with the PoolDose double unit. Very similar to the single parameter. So we have the user manual. This is only the abridged version. You can obtain the full one from the website or by scanning the QR code on the leaflet or on the unit. We have the pH and redox probes. We also have the injectors and foot filters for the chemical injection and for the fitting into the chemical drum. The peristaltic nuts for securing the suction and delivery line tubing to the unit. The 4-position wall mounting bracket, and we also have the 50mm saddles for the injection points and for the probe insertion. 4 of these supplied with the unit. Again, we have the suction and discharge tubing. Generally the softer material is used on the suction line and the PE semi-rigid material is used for chemical injection as it's more resilient to pressure and temperature. We also have a temperature probe, which is included with each unit, and the set of buffer solutions. This is the 3-bottle kit, but we also supply the millivolt solution for the redox probe. We also have a ferrite coil for connection to the main supply to resist any electrical interference that may interfere with the probe readings. We also have the probe glands and adapters for insertion into the saddles.